As of today, our meat birds are 2 weeks old and we are ready to get them out. Not only are they getting too big for the brooder, but they smell really bad. So I'm quite impressed at how fast Matthew put this chicken tractor together. He's doing a video himself on how to build this chicken tractor, and personally I think he did a fantastic job. And I say that because it's not too heavy for me to move, but it will be difficult for predators to get inside of it for sure. Matthew did such a good job building this chicken tractor, and now I need him to build me a bunny tractor for my bunnies. They will love that. Matthew's got the chicken tractor ready. So this is what we're going to be putting our chickens in. They're about 2 weeks now. This is what we're gonna, this here is what we're gonna use to pull the tractor every day. It's time to go outside! Yay! We'll take them out by 4. That way they don't get hurt. So at 2 weeks, these birds already weigh like between 1.5 to 2 pounds a piece, and they don't look like they're that heavy. It's just how they feel. I mean, they're pretty thick, which we're happy about that because we want some nice fat birds. We definitely want them to grow fast, but we don't want to overfeed them either and have them get sick. So we are doing, right now we are doing what the recommended times of feed is, and that's 12 hours, every 12 hours, 12 hours on, 12 hours off. Plus I put a couple splashes of apple cider vinegar in their water as well to keep their gut healthy. More room in here. They're like, freedom! We are just so excited to be able to have this opportunity to grow our own food. I think this is a venture that we will be doing every year. I'm getting kind of nervous about processing day because we've never done it before, and I don't know. But we'll bring you guys along with us and show you how everything goes. Hopefully everything will go smoothly. Meat birds are happy, and so am I. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a blessed day.